Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see. A lot of you are mad. A lot of you have been upset, and I'm terribly sorry for being MIA, but here I am. And today's video is going to be about YBP X Shreya Jain, a launch that I was so incredibly happy about, so proud about, and I'm so excited. I am going to talk about it and what I thought of it and what it is all about and what you get and everything. Okay, so first things first, YBP and Shreya launched 4 products, and these are called color creams and they come in 4 different variants. The first one, my favorite, is the Goddess. Then we have the Princess, we have the Mermaid, and then the Witch. So today I have all 4 of them on my face right now, and these are all priced at rupees 1200, and you can find them at ybpcosmetics.com. and these are paraben free, they are talc free, they have rose extract, and they also have vitamin E in it, and they're also 100% vegan. And yeah, I am just so incredibly proud of her, you have no idea. So I had the opportunity to go, fly down to Ahmedabad. Thank you so much, Payal, for getting me down to Ahmedabad. It was my first time in Gujarat, and I had such an amazing time to get to know about how the entire process went down. And this is something that they've been working for more than a year. I remember seeing her Insta stories here and again where, you know, she used to put BTS of her shooting for this. I think they shot this last February, if I'm not wrong. Also, all of these products are very multitasking, so you can use them not only as an eyeshadow, but you could use them on your face, on your cheek, as a highlighter, as an eyeshadow base. I'm gonna touch down on what all you can do with each product while I'm talking about the product, so let's just jump right into them. The first one is my favorite, and I think this is the one that I reach forward to the most, and if you had to buy just one of these, then I would highly recommend the Goddess. And this is like a liquid highlighter. It has a beautiful warm undertone. It is this goldeny champagne shade, and you just need very little of this. Now this also you can use in a lot of different ways. You can mix this with your cream and apply it all over your face as a base. That's going to give you a very luminous finish, and then you can go over with your foundation. So like how you would use a MAC stroke cream, so instead of getting that, you mix this with your existing cream, any moisturizer that you use, and you can just apply that and use that as a primer before you apply your foundation. Then you can also mix this with your foundation and then apply your foundation. That's what I did today, and that's what I like to do with this. And the consistency of this is very soft, it's very buttery, and it also blends very easily. I was very worried that this is going to be too watery, and if it's not watery, then it's not going to blend easily, but it's neither, and it just blends beautifully. It just sits beautifully on my skin. The glow is real after I use this. You can also use this on your inner corner, on the eyebrows, like underneath your eyebrows. You can use it on your nose, on your cupid's bow, anywhere that you like to highlight. My favorite thing to do with this is apply it on my chest area to get this beautiful summery glow. I mixed it with my foundation and I applied it first, and then I just went ahead and applied some more just here on the top parts, and it just makes it look so dewy, so radiant. So yeah. The next one is called the Princess. This is a bright fuchsia color cream. You could use this as a lipstick. I like to use this as a blush, and I've applied that on my cheeks, and I've also topped it with the Witch because I really like the color Witch on my cheekbones. I think it's the perfect summery radiant dew, and please take very little of this because these are highly pigmented, and what I was worried about is that it's going to stain, but it does not really stain, which I was very impressed with because yeah, I don't really like staining my face or my eyes. Like if I use this on my eyes, I didn't want any stain on my eyes, and it does not really do that, but it's also very highly pigmented. So yeah, the formula is really great. You can use this on your cheeks, you can use this on your lips, you can also use this as an eyeshadow on its own, or you can use this as an eyeshadow base to intensify any pink eyeshadow or any other eyeshadow. The next one is the Witch. I think this is my second favorite out of all of them. So the first one being Goddess and the second one being this. You could use this on your eyes, you can use this on your cheeks and also on your lips. And I like this one again because it's the perfect nude for your lips. The finish of this is very creamy, so at first you get this slightly glossy creamy finish, but I like to wipe off the excess using a tissue paper, and once I do that, it just sits very matte, and this way the pigments just sit on your lips like this and it does not really budge. If you eat something oily, it will budge, and if you otherwise drink water or sip tea from a cup, it does not really budge. However, it will move because it is a cream product, so it will leave a stain on your glass or a cup. So yeah, it's very comfortable to wear as well on your lips. And last but not the least, we have Mermaid. This is Shreya's favorite. This is her go-to, that's what she said, and she loves this on my lips. I wore this on my lips in my Insta tutorial. Like, I did this very short tutorial right after I received the products because I was very excited to try them, so I just created this very easy go-to look using this. But today I wore it on my eyes and I just took so little of this and then just blended it all over my eyes. Such a nice summery color. It's a very easy way to pop a little bit of color onto your eyes without it looking too over the top. Or you could again use this as a base and then apply a purple eyeshadow so that the color really gets intensified. This looks lovely on Indian skin tones. Also quickly, let's touch upon the packaging a bit. The packaging, as you can see, comes in a tube like so. It has a very narrow opening so that you just take out as much product as you need, and it comes with a lid, and the packaging is a clear plastic so that you get to see how much product is in there and the shade of the product, which I thought was pretty neat. I don't think there's anything that I would change about this. Yeah, it's pretty easy to carry around. You can throw this in your bag, you can throw this in your makeup bag, and yeah, it's pretty nifty, I would say. And yep, that's about it. That's all that I wanted to talk about. So before I go, I would want to congratulate Shreya and Payal for coming out with this. This is incredible. I am so proud of you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel to see more videos. Yeah, that's all I have to say. I don't feel like ending the video because I just can go on and on and on. I'm feeling very chatty today, but I have to film a haul video now because I bought a lot of stuff when I was in Gujarat. So I think I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see you super soon. Bye!